Hello. Ndibe beach, part of the Cross River system. The Cross River system stretches from the Cameroon mountain, and the water opens at the Atlantic Ocean. And we have several beaches. Within this point, we have almost 7 beaches, right from Otuahia Beach down to Wana Beach. So, and at each of the...
Excuse just a moment. You see these things Dr. Wanoma is telling you is part of the thing that will form your description of what? Study area. So everything he is telling you counts.
So, a good number of the beaches, as I have mentioned, and each of the beach have various activities taking place at it. And as I used to tell you in the class, that as an ecologist, when you go to study a place, having known that it is the study of the interrelationship or relationship between organisms and the environment, that what you have to look at is the nature of human activities taking place within that environment. Because the nature of activities taking place within a place, within the environment, affect the organism. And of course, it is equally the type of activities that takes place there, in addition to natural factors that influence mainly the organisms that you find within the habitat or the environment you are looking at. And as you can see here, right from where we entered the beach, that point is really the Ndibe beach or the Bogoro beach. That's what you may see online. If you check it online, so the whole of this area is an extension of that. And the major activities here, as you can see, is sand mining. Then you have a trading by those women selling around at the point of the beach. Then we have transportation, because if you are at the beach, you see some boats there that ferry people from the other side of the river to Afikpo area. Then we have agricultural activities, that's cultivation of different crops at both sides, although it is more serious at the side of the Cross River area, because the land this part is flat, but here is more of a hilly area. But if you go down off to the side of the lake, where we will visit after this place, you probably see serious human activities taking place there. Now, those activities, what they do is that they contribute to the addition of various substances into the water, like nutrient, as Dr. K has mentioned, phosphate, nitrate. Then the transportation we have talked about contribute to the addition of some heavy metals into the water, like lead. Then apart from that, you see a whole lot of other things like plastic. Okay, presently plastic is a very serious problem. We talk about plastic pollution. If you see here, if you go to the point of the beach, you see they use plastic to package so many things, and after consuming pure water and whatsoever, they dump it right inside the water, which of course usually have serious effect on the organism that lives in the water. Now, this of course, as I said, determines the factors. That's of course the first factors, as you can see, are now the biotic and the abiotic we have talked about. The abiotic are the temperature as mentioned, pH, alkalinity, then concentration of nutrient, that is phosphate, nitrate, even heavy metals. They are all abiotic factors. But the biotic factors, the major biotic factor here is the human activity, because it is human that introduce most of these things. Then when you come right into the water body, you will see some other abiotic factors like pathogens that can affect the organisms that live in the water. As you can see, if you look at the water very well, if not, as you can see that those things are fish fries. All these things you are seeing are fish fries. See thousands of them. They are all looking for food. And what they feed on, as you